everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell. Today we're going to paint on this pumpkin. It's styrofoam. I got it from Michael's. I put some push pins in the bottom to keep it off the paint that's going to be rolling down the side. And I have decided I'm going to use up some of this silver and give it a good base coat. I usually use white, but I've got this on hand and I thought, why not? So I'm going to use some different colors today. I got Deco Art Extreme Sheen Coral, Dark Chocolate Shimmer, Proj Posse Paint Bubblegum Shimmer. It has been lightened. Deco Art Copper, and then this is Proj Posse Paint Orange Marmalade. Yeah, so we're gonna use those colors. So first thing we're going to do, actually I'm gonna get rid of these till I'm ready. Just gonna give this a good coating. This pumpkin was black. I took it outside and sprayed it with Zinsser's 123 primer and paint. I'm gonna rub this in along the bottom. I am gonna pour some over the top too. I like to have full coverage on my pumpkins. Some people just let it run over the sides and whatever happens, happens. And if there's empty spots, they let it go, and that is absolutely fine. Myself, I prefer to have full coverage. All right, let's make sure I'm still in frame. Yeah, hopefully that's good enough. It's hard to see up there. Alright, so I got that covered pretty good. We're going to start pouring our colors on here. I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do this. If I wanted to put them in a cup and pour them on, or if I just want to pour them on individually. And I think I just want to pour them on individually. And then this here is, that's my strained PVA. That's not what I'm looking for. Snow White Iridescent Pearl Proj Posse Paint. Alright, so these are my colors. I'm going to get started. Let's start with a little of the brown. So I wonder if I did like, kind of like a puddle pour. Shake that up a little better. It's been a minute since they've been used. Took a little break for a while. Oh, yeah. All right, should be good now. Try a little more of that brown. Let's do some of this pink, copper, white, orange. Start over here. Not worried about getting it in the same order. I like what it's doing, but it's not going over my humps very well. So I might have to pour it all over first and then do the puddle pours at the end. So yeah, that's what I'll do. Let's do. So we're just gonna pour it everywhere first. I want to get the paint running down the sides. Get in there. Deco Art Extreme Sheen Coral. That is a pretty color. Wow, I love it. We're going to do some white. Maybe it doesn't pearl, I should say. Let's do some orange. I'm going to take that down a little bit since let's go back to the white. Whoops. Yeah, I'm gonna put some in a cup. Try it that way. All right, so let's get it's covered first, and then we can do the puddle pours on top after that. Yeah, that's helping it. Not a fan of that. I like some of this other stuff though. That's pretty. White. Went with white. Okay. I didn't put no orange, or very little orange in that. Look at that detail. Beautiful. I love it. All right, I'll be back when it's dry.